Assalamu alaikum. So today's video is about how to take the door off from your stove so you can easily clean your stove when you're cleaning it, because it takes no effort to take the door off, but it really helps you to clean thoroughly inside properly. तो आज हम ये सीखेंगे कि डोर कैसे उतारते हैं तो आप अपने स्टोव को जब साफ़ कर रहे हों. So it takes almost no time. So you can see how my stove is spick and span. I have actually, this is the GE stove. This is the model I'm actually working with. So you can note it down. So this is a very common household GE gas stove people have here in North America. So what you do is when you open the door, you see locks on both sides. So there are locks, या दोनों साइड पे lock होते हैं, left पे or right पे. You can feel it and you can pull it towards it. You see that there is a lock there. So what you do is you just pull the lock towards you on both sides, and then you kind of like press the door towards you and lift it up. And once you lift it up, the door will be in your hand in no time. तो आपके हाथ में डोर आ जाएगा जब आप दोनों साइड के लॉक्स जो हैं वो अपनी तरफ उठा लेंगे. So similarly, what you can do is you can clean inside properly, take the grills out, and so it's a very easy way of cleaning your stove when you have the door off, because door is not in the way. So now I'm going to help you to just tell how to put this door back, so you can see how easily I have even cleaned my door too. So I was filming it with one hand, so it's a little tough to film it and make a video when I'm trying to put the door back. So that's okay. So what I did, I actually inserted the both clamps on the each side back into the holes. So I inserted those clamps inside, and what I will do is push it a little bit back. So once this is in, just move the door towards you. The lock will be a little free after, and then you can move the lock back to its original place, as you can see in the video. So आप देख सकते हैं कैसे मैंने lock को दोबारा वापस push कर दिया. So I hope you will like today's video. So next time when you're cleaning your stove, you find it easy. It's similar way for the electric or the gas stove. They almost have the same thing. So please do like and subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.